Hello. So today we are going to do something a little bit different, and we are going to deal with the mess that is my skincare, bath care, all of that. Generally, I am a pretty organized person, and what you're about to see on my sink is organized, but it has just become way too much. And well, first, before I show you this mess, let me actually show you the type of organized person I generally am. Flip you around, and as you can see, I am fairly organized when it comes to my stuff. You can see I have things all the way down to almost the floor of just an organizational method. This is all of my palettes, and then I have an organized system for my brushes. I have 4 different cups here. I know it probably looks messy, but there are 4 different cups with 4 different types of brushes. And then, you know, I kind of have a little organization thing going on with all of my perfume samples. And then my perfumes are nicely organized on my shelf. So, you know, I am a fairly organized person. I do like to have things in their place. It's just not really the case with my makeup, not my makeup, my skincare. So let me show you the mess that is. So here we have, it's organized, but it's a messy organized. So to me, I just feel like it is clutter. But you know, we have lip scrubs here. We have facial cleaning stuff here. And then, you know, kind of in here we have samples of things that I would like to try. And it's really just kind of blown up over the last couple of months, maybe. I would say maybe the last 3 or 4 months. It's just kind of really exploded. And so my idea is to kind of just have stuff on my sink that I actually use daily, and everything else needs to go under. You know, these are face masks that I own. And then over here, we just kind of had, now this is not organized. This is just a mess right now. But, you know, over here we have bath products and candles that are just kind of too much. It used to be that pumpkin candle would hang out on my bathtub, and then this little dealio over here of candles would be on my bathtub. And then I used to have the occasional bath salts. Usually my Dr. Teal's is hanging out on the bathtub, and that scrub that is over there on the far side hangs out on the bathtub. So I just really need to get this organized. And then here we have under the sink, and you can see this has like a modicum of organization, but you know, some things have fallen down or whatnot, and I just really need to make this more spacious. So what I have done is bought a shelving rack to make more space under the sink, and that is what we have here. We bought a shelving system. So we bought 2 baskets. We went to the Container Store and we bought 2 baskets. And then we bought these. And then we bought these bamboo stackable shelves. And we bought 4 of them. So I will kind of just get to that and get started, and we'll see how it all works. Okay, so as you can see, I cleaned this out. Please don't mind the mess on my floor. haven't vacuumed my bathroom since we've been back from Vegas, which is something that needs done terribly. But as you can see, I got the shelving system set up. And so I have 3 levels, 1, 2, 3. I also have this empty space in the center. And then over here I have 1, 2, 3 levels. I also bought these baskets. Now, originally we thought that the drawers or the shelving would fit the other way, but they won't because of this. So the idea originally was to have these underneath the bottom shelf with this dipped down so I could see, but now it'll just have to go in on the side like that, which will make it easier to like pull stuff out. I haven't quite decided how I'm going to organize this, but it's just kind of a journey for all of us. I need things to be able to be seen, but then to also be put away, if that makes sense. Like I need to be able to see stuff. So like for instance, this dusty Loot Crate box over here, it's like completely concealed and there is skincare in there. I don't know how long it's been in there. I will have to check the expiration dates on those things, but like it was in the back under here, so it was kind of like, you know, it wasn't seen, so I just, you know, out of sight, out of mind sort of thing. So I need to be able to see things. And so I'm hoping that this shelving system will help me with that. Now, I did forget to mention earlier that this whole setup, these 4 shelves along with these 2 baskets it was just under $100. So I feel it wasn't a bad cost for something that I know that I wanted. Okay, so I have decided that in here are going to go all the face masks, and we also have face polishes, face scrubs, things that you just do every now and again, opposed to every day. And so this basket is going to go right under here as soon as I find some other stuff that I don't use hardly ever and stick it back there. Okay, so I've got some stuff from Alouette back there. I've got witch hazel, and I have an organic deodorant that I only use every now and again. I do have a couple more organic deodorants that I will put back there, that I will keep just in case I need them in a pinch. So I will put these back here. Oof. I can't reach it. I will put these back here on top of the other organic deodorant. And then I wanted to show you guys that I kind of have up here. I know it's kind of dark, but I have hair things. In the back I have razors, and then these are contacts, and they are in a cute little baggie that has eyes on them, so I know what they are. This is a straightener, and there are some combs, and then I've got headbands and hair clips and things of that nature that will kind of go right here on the top shelf. That is actually a bra strap. Okay, well, I'll figure out where that needs to go. Interesting. Okay, so that's where we are right now. As you can see, I still have quite a bit of space. I put these matches up here, so I think on this top shelf I'm going to put candles that aren't being used right away. So I think I am also going to add to this top shelf here, as you can see, I've got candles kind of stacked up back there, but I think I'm also going to add to this shelf body scrubs, bath salts, and I don't know if I want to put the bath milkshakes up there or if I want to put them with the bath bombs. I haven't decided yet, but so right now I'm going to start with body scrubs that are not open or being used, and bath salt. Okay, so I did add the bath milkshakes and this bath crumbles in here, and so I think in this little space here I'm going to add like sample size hair products or full size hair products that I'm not quite using yet, and then also you know, like soap, because I have some shower soaps here that I'm not quite using yet, and I think that that's what will go in that little. Decided that I'm going to do bath bombs here, and then my face care will go over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the bath bombs set up. Right now they're all just kind of hanging out in that bag, and I'm going to get them out of the. Okay, so I took the bath bombs out of this bag and I just kind of put them up here. I decided that I don't like that, so I'm going to transfer all of those bath bombs into this metal basket. Okay, you guys, so just real quick, I am going to show you kind of the finished product, minus the cleaning that needs to be done. But so here we have the final bathtub product. So here we have, what's going on here? There we go. So here we have two scrubs that need to be used up. We have the next pumice stone in line. We have the next shower gel in line. And then we kind of just have the candles. We have my bath time body scrub. I do have my Teal's bath salts there. And then over there in the corner, we've got kind of the salts that are in use, the milkshake that is in use, and then we have decorative candles. That candle is obviously one that we light. Those two candles are in use. And then over here, my husband's side still has not been dealt with, but over here, so we have the hair tools that I use the most. These are foundations and BB creams and stuff like that. These are the hair products that I use the most. And then these are going to be the face cleansers that I use the most. And there are some back here as well. And then we have the skincare products back here in this corner that I use the most. So that's just kind of, it looks a lot better. That's just kind of things that I use the most. And so then underneath, I don't know if you guys can see that because it's kind of dark, but this top shelf are hair products, contacts, and then down here we have more face products. I kept the samples in here, pulled out some more of the larger sizes. Down here in this basket, we did put some hair stuff that are that haven't been able to be used yet. And then, you know, we have over here, we put the bath bombs in this basket. And up here we have soap. Oh, you know what? This hair product can go down here with these hair products. And then up here we kind of just have candles, showers, scrubs, blah, 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 blah. And then down here we have face masks, face peels, things of that nature. And that, I don't know if we could see the whole thing if I scoot all the way back, but that is kind of, can you see that? That is kind of the finished product. That is what we ended up with, and I am happy with it. I am happy with the shelves that are stackable. I just kind of feel like everything is not so cluttered, and the stuff that is cluttered, I can just put it behind a closed door. And that's pretty much what we've got going on. I don't know if you guys can see my whole tub. Maybe if I... Thanks for joining me. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.